Diepholz Auto Group would like to show you around the Chevy Avalanche. Maroon in color, Z71 package, chrome tube steps there. As you can see, this vehicle is extra sharp, super clean. Ride and drive home today. Good looking front grille, as you can see. The wheels and tires both like new. Good looking Chevy Avalanche. Take a look at the inside here. Got power windows and locks and mirrors with the Bose sound system. Power driver seats, cloth interior, auto headlamp, and the four-wheel drive there. Steering wheel audio controls. Got the factory CD player. Factory 6-disc CD changer. With the dual climate control. Airbag on the steering wheel, as well as over on the passenger side. Got the Vortec motor in it also. Inside is brand new, just extra clean. Rear audio controls with the headphone jack and the vents for the air on each side. Good looking Avalanche in the Z71 package there. Tow package. Chevy Avalanche. Good looking truck. If you have any more questions about this Avalanche, give us a call. 800-458-0141 or visit us online at diepholzauto.com. We'd like to thank you again for watching our YouTube video. Diepholz Auto Group in Charleston, Illinois, and diepholzauto.com. Thanks again.